Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So as you know, winter has come finally in Delhi. So I have few sweatshirt collection. I don't have lot of winter clothing because I don't love winter that much, so I don't spend on winter that much. But last winter I thought I should spend like money on my winter clothes as well, because who doesn't want to look cute on winters as well. So when H&M starts their sale by the end of the year or in the beginning of the year, when they give like all the products for like 60 to 70% off, I bought most of the sweatshirt at that time only. I haven't bought anything recently because I know I'm not going to step out that much this winter. So I haven't bought anything, and I think I won't be buying anything this year. So this is all the sweatshirt that I'm going to show you are from like 2019 end sale or 2020 beginning sale. So nothing new. I just wanted to show you my winter collection. So I hope you will enjoy the video. And if you like watching this video, make sure to subscribe down below. That would help me grow. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
So this is a black full sleeve bodysuit, and this is a thin kind of bodysuit, so you can't wear it in cold weather, but you can obviously wear it in November or early December. So yeah, it's a really thin bodysuit, full sleeve, and you can layer it up with a jacket as well. This is a yellow sweater kind of top, and the sleeves are quite long and it's a little bit on a warmer side. So yeah, you can wear it on like alone only in November, December, or you can wear it with a jacket. So now this is a sweatshirt which says friends, and in the back it's forever. So these come with the two sets, so you can gift it to your friend or your cousin if you want. So these sleeves are really long and it's an oversized hoodie, and I really love wearing this, and it's also really warm. It's not too thick, not too thin, so you can layer inside this and just roam it around, and you can play with it, you can dance with it. It's really oversized and it really looks cute. So yeah, I really enjoy wearing this. So this is the black sweatshirt of the it's with the pair with the white one only. So it also says friends forever. So this is also a really nice oversized sweatshirt which I really like to wear. The sleeve area is really loose, so you can play it with around, and I just love playing with it. And you can hide your hands in the sweatshirt and just pretend you don't have hands and avoid walking. So yeah, so now this is a gray hoodie. So I really love hoodies in winters because you get topi with the hoodies, which are really helpful and kind of essential for winters, especially delicate winters. It's really cold, and it really helps in protecting your ears as well if you are traveling in an auto or rickshaws. So I really love hoodies, they are really cute. So this is not an oversized hoodie, it's kind of on a fitting side. So yeah, I just really love wearing this one as well. And most of the sweatshirt and hoodies are small or extra small size, if you are wondering. So this one is not from H&M, this is from Forever 21, but I thought of including this as well. So this is also a hoodie, it's a crop hoodie and it's a thin hoodie. It's not that of a warmer side, so you need to layer it up inside as well if you are wearing it in a cold weather. But for November or December it's fine. So I really love hoodies, and it's really cute, and I love the color. It's mustard color, and I really enjoy wearing this as well. So now is this my favorite sweater. So this is such a soft material and it's so fluffy. Oh my god, I really love this. It's like a जो टेडी बियर का मटेरियल होता है, it's made up of this. It has written girl in front of this, and it's really warm. Like obviously you can layer it up or wear some full sleeve sweater, like thin sweaters inside this, and you are good to go for the cold weather you have in Delhi. And this is so soft, I really love wearing this. So yeah, you can play it around, it's not too oversized, so I really enjoy wearing this. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you found it a fun video, and I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.